10 hidden features you might not know about on Slack. There are plenty of essential apps small business owners rely on, especially if they have remote workers and need a simple solution for staying in contact with all of them. If that the case of your organization, there is good chance you already use Slack. In case you don't know what is already. Slack is a business messaging app where workers can communicate with one another, which is a major asset when it comes to spreading important information quickly when everyone may not be in a centralized office. Slack allow for the creation of various channels, meaning a single message can go out the people within the same team simultaneously. It is a lot easier than hoping people keep tabs on their email all day. Plus, Slack is accessible via computer or mobile devices, so people can stay up to date on what's going on at the officer, whatever they are. Slack may be unique in the marketplace, but there are undoubtedly people are not using it to its fullest potential. Even worse, they could be making disappear mistakes while using Slack. If you are merely want Slack so that you can share memes with so workers and ask questions when needed, it's easy enough to figure all of that out. However, you can take your Slack game to the next level by implementing an array of features that are not always abuse, obvious to implement. So, or just one will other can enhance your workflow. But no matter what, they are all pretty easy to get started with. Set reminders. Slack is an essential app for everyone working from home. And since so many people work remotely these days, it's a vital of remain on task and not get sidetracked. You may even have the flexibility to leave your workstation for a portion of the day and return later to finish up and work on your docket. Of course, even if you enjoy that luxury, you don't want to be MIA when a important meeting is supposed to take place. Fortunately, you can remind yourself to such an event by learning how to set reminder in Slack. The process is the same whatever you are using Slack on mobile or desktop. If you just want to remind yourself of something, you can go into your own profile page and either remain in the message field. The tool should automatically come up where you can remind yourself of meeting and anything else you need to go. And you can input information related to the time and what the event about. For manager, that this tool can be set up in the individual channel. For example, if everyone on a certain team need to be on a call, you can send a reminder to the specific channel so that everyone gets reminded. You can even establish regular reminders. So if you need to chat with everyone every Thursday, you can set up repeat reminders. You can also delay a reminder if you need more time or snows. It is case something is not actually due to another couple of the day. Keyboard shortcuts. Anyone who been in the workforce for a while has likely themselves with the various keyboard shortcuts for tools like Microsoft Word. Rather than having the click each tool manually, you can hit a couple of buttons. You have something change automatically. Slack is no different, but a lot of people probably have not spent to the time to figure out of the tools they streamline with a few clicks.